Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and Me tutorials. So today in this video, we will learn about strip type and strip type. Okay, so that is strp time and strf time. So there is a lot of confusion how to use these functions in the date time task in the Python. Okay, so today I will clarify how to use these two things. So let's download. Just first we'll import the packages datetime and date util relative delta. Okay guys. So first I am taking a start date today. It is October 19th. So let's see what is the type of the start date. Okay, let's run this program. So this is a string. Okay guys. So this is string. So in for example, I want to find the end date 1 week after the start date. So I can't add 7 to this string, right? So first I have to convert the string into the date. So there it comes the strp type. Okay. So strp time, what it does is it converts the string into the date. Okay. For that we have to give whatever format it is there here date, same format we have to supply here as a second argument. So we have to remember that. Okay. So whatever format is there, same format we have to give it as a second argument. Then we have to use date time dot strp time strip time. Okay, start date comma the format whichever is the string is there, then give dot date, then it will convert that into the date. Let's see, let's print this. Okay, so it is date time date, so it's converted into the date. So strp time is used to convert the strings into the date format. Okay, next I want to find the end date, which is 7 days after the start date. So here I am using end date start date plus end date equal to start date plus date util relative delta function I am using, and days is 7. Okay, it will give me the end date. Let's print the end date here. Okay, so I got the end date 2024-10-26. Okay guys, but I don't want this format. I want 26 hyphen October hyphen 2024. Okay, so how we do that? So end date equal to end date dot, here comes strf time. Okay, which converts date into the string. Okay, right now we have got the date, right? Okay, if you see the type of the end date here, let's print that also. So type of end date is what? Again date time, right? So I want date, okay, into some other format. Okay, right now which format is that? Let's print that. Print end date. Okay, right now it is 2024 hyphen 10 hyphen 26, but I don't want that format. I want some other format which is 26 hyphen October OCT hyphen 2024. So for that we have to use the strf time. Okay, which takes, which converts the date into the string. Okay, so end date is here, this is the date, right? And we are using strf time. Then whatever format you want, you have to give here. So here percentage d is the date. Okay, percentage m is the month name in the 3 letters. So oct it will give, and y is for year. Okay guys, so let's see the end date here. Okay, so 26 October 2024. Now type the type of the end date, print the type of the end date, so it's a string. Okay guys, so main thing you have to remember is strp time. This is converting string into the date. Okay, and strf is converting date into the string format, whatever you want. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.